I can't tell you how thrilled I am to be here today, joining Minister Adams to make an announcement about some of these solutions for the crisis we have really in continuing care. Today, there are more than 20,000 Nova Scotians over the age of 65 in our province, and they have every right to expect the support and care that they need and that they deserve as they age.
Today, as the Premier said, we are announcing $57 million in investments that will bring much needed support to the sector. We are also providing much needed tuition support for CCA students already enrolled in the program this year through a $3.1 million in tuition reimbursement for existing students. So they will end up with a free tuition, as well as $22 million in tuition relief to bring 2,000 CCA students into the system to have a fully funded tuition for the next 2 years. We will expand also opportunities for flexible studies and more hands-on work experience, which is a new way of learning so that students can apply their skills more quickly and directly contribute to the delivery of care. Continuing care assistance will be in the workforce starting in the new year through a new Work to Learn program in partnership with CBBC, and you'll hear more about that in a few minutes.
First thing, probably everyone's trying to figure out what is a CBBC. Cape Breton Business College, which started in 1958, has had a proud history of training thousands of Nova Scotians for various careers over those 63 years. And in the last 25 years has focused quite heavily on CCA education and trying to make an impact for that health sector and the employment needs that they have. We are very excited to be part of this provincial launch. I think for every voting participant in a province, when you hear Premier announce that they're going to make changes, then you usually sit and you wait many months or years to see that change come to fruition. I commend the Premier on taking action as quickly as he has and making this a reality, because the need for frontline workers is critical, not just in Nova Scotia, but all of Canada. And until you start making action and taking action and doing something about it, nothing changes. CBBC, again, is excited to be part of this. We are but one school. It takes a village to raise a child. It takes an entire academic group to solve something as challenging as our frontline worker shortages. So CBBC looks forward to playing its role. We know that we will produce hundreds of graduates over the next several months, and that's going to help. The work that we've done with our care partners, our long-term care facilities, and our home support agencies over the last 25 years is what really got us in front of the Premier and the Ministry over the last few months. We've been working closely with them. The need for frontline workers has been growing, and we put our name forward saying we want to be part of this. So again, thank you, Premier, and thank you, Minister Adams, for allowing CBBC to participate.